Hey everyone, welcome back to Zakai Tech. Today, we are reviewing a highly portable and budget-friendly starter instrument designed for aspiring musicians and entry-level creators, the Weemusiy 661-key portable keyboard piano. If you are looking for an ultra-lightweight, feature-packed 61-key electronic piano that includes a microphone, battery power support, and creative sound tools right out of the box, let's break down everything this system offers. First, let's look at build design, safety, and portability. The Weemusiy 600 is constructed from durable, eco-friendly ABS material with precision-molded rounded edges for comfortable, safe handling. The control panel features a color-coded layout with red and blue function buttons paired with standard keys to make navigation simple and engaging for beginner players. Its slim profile and ultra-lightweight frame make it effortless to carry around. Plus, it offers dual power options. You can plug it into a wall adapter for home practice or insert 4 AA batteries to take your music outdoors, to school, or on travel rehearsals. Next, let me highlight the sound engine and performance features. Under the hood, this keyboard packs a versatile feature set for creative exploration. It features 100 timbres, 10 accompaniment rhythms, 8 percussion trigger pads, and 100 demo tracks spanning multiple genres to help build rhythmic awareness. It also supports advanced playing functions, including single-finger and multi-finger chord systems, rhythm programming, and dynamic sound effects like sustain, vibrato, and echo. Finally, let me show you the interactive microphone and recording tools. What makes this model a fun all-in-one package is its bundled microphone and real-time capture abilities. You can plug the microphone directly into the keyboard to sing along while playing through the built-in stereo speakers. It also features integrated recording and playback, allowing beginners to record their live performances, listen back to refine their technique, and build playing confidence. Overall, the Weemusiy 600 is an accessible, compact starter keyboard that offers a great blend of sound variety, battery-powered portability, and interactive singing and recording features. If you enjoyed this overview, hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to Zakai Tech for more electronic gear reviews, instrument tests, and music tech showcases. Thanks for watching.